Boss, pwede lang may masa ako. Sige, hindi ba? Aras ba? Ha? Ano eh? Yung isa
Dumbbells are highly versatile tools that can target every major muscle group in the body for building strength, endurance, and muscle mass. They are effective for both upper and lower body as well as core stability. Agility ladder. Drills primarily target the lower body, focusing on enhancing muscle groups that control quick footwork, stability, and speed. They are designated to improve neuromuscular coordination and rapid reaction times rather than building pure strength. Jumping rope primarily targets the lower body, especially the calves, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. It is highly intensity, full body workout that also engages the core for stability and the shoulder, back, and arms for controlling the rope.